Hello, welcome everyone to Winning Mondays with KW Malaysia. So my name is Mariah. I'm the training coordinator with KW Malaysia, and I just want to welcome everyone who's here. This is special, very special edition as it's a public holiday. Happy public holiday, everybody. Yeah. I think last week we were talking about, voting and elections and we didn't know what's happening. And now we know what's happening and we have a holiday, but we decided to go ahead and still have our session. Hopefully we can invite all your friends to come. I see there's about 20 people on the call now. So invite your friends to come. I'm sure they all need to wake up and get some work done. Put the economy right. Let's go. Okay. So today we're going to be talking about the KW consumer app. And so I hope you're all looking forward to hearing about that. We have 3 amazing guests who all know a lot about this app and can inspire you and instruct you on more about this app. So I hope you're all looking forward to that. Okay, I think I'm going to start actually by running at the poll that I have today. So I have a poll here about the app. All right, the first question is, have you downloaded the KW consumer app yet? Okay, this is not the KW command app, yeah? So have you downloaded the KW consumer app? Options are yes, no, or downloading it now. We're gonna put the link in the description so you can download it now, okay guys? And number 2, have you asked any of your clients or potential clients to download the KW consumer app? Yes, no, or maybe you're gonna start inviting right after this session, and hopefully you will. After you get all inspired, you will be ready to download to invite all your people to come and download it. All right, I see you're all answering. Very good. I would like to get more people to come and share your answers, whether you've downloaded yet or not yet. Come. And if you're on Facebook, we say a big hello to you, and you'll see the question there in the chat. Yeah, let us know if you've already downloaded the KW consumer app, and if you would like to download it, we can add the link to download. Will be great if we can put that in the chats so everyone can find it. All right. Okay. Oh, I think the poll has been ended somehow. Okay. All right, I'm going to share the results. Here we go. All right, so we have 70% of the people in the call have said they've already downloaded it. That's encouraging. I guess that's why you're here, right? You downloaded it and you want to know how to use it. And maybe 30% have not downloaded it yet. So let's download that ASAP so we can get that organized. And most of you have not yet invited your sphere of influence or your clients to download it and register and all that. So we're going to teach you about how to do that today. So you can look forward to that. And yeah, so 60% said no, 20% said yes. And then 20% said they will start inviting right after this session. So that's encouraging. Let's all try to do that. Okay. So I'm going to invite our 3 guests we have here today. I would like to invite Siewmin Choong. She's a technology strategist at KW Malaysia. And we also have Chua, who's a PEA and also a productivity coach at MC3. And thirdly, we have Winnie Chong, who's an MC tech trainer for MC2. And she's also connected to MC1 as well. Okay, hold on. I have to bring you guys back. Okay, there we go. All right. Oh, yeah, I only see, where's Rhea? He didn't come on. He hasn't been spotlighted. There we go. Okay. Okay, hello. Good morning, guys. All right. Yeah, could you guys introduce yourselves? Maybe Siewmin, you can start. Just introduce yourselves a bit more and let us know how you're connected to KW and your background a bit.
Hi everyone. My name is Siewmin. I am the tech strategist for KW in Malaysia. What I do is that so as you know that we have in KW it's always in the heart of us that we always add value to the agents. So one of the biggest value that we have is the technology. Mm-hmm. And so what happened is that week in, week out, we actually meet with the technology director from the US, and that we will bring in the training, the different technology updates, the different new technologies to Malaysia here. So I'm kind of like the bridge between like the Malaysia team and like the US team.
Nice. Very cool. Okay, great. Winnie, can you hear us? I know you're having issues with your sound before.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, I
great.
can hear very clearly.
Awesome, awesome. Please come and introduce yourself.
Yep. Hi everyone. I'm Winnie, and I'm a MC2 market center tech trainer, and also attached with MC1 as well. I'm an agent, and at the same time also under elite teams where I'm doing an ISA role to help on lead gens as well. So I've been in this retail industry. I think coming to this year is third year, which is I'm so blessed because I joined in just right in time 2 months before KW came aboard. So I'm glad that I came in the right timing.
Awesome.
Yep.
You sound like a busy woman. You have like 3 jobs. Very cool.
Yeah. Coping up,
Okay.
coping up.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, Ray, how about you can introduce yourself? Thanks.
Okay, hi, good morning, everyone. Okay, my name is Ray. I'm with Market Center 3 for more than 10 years. Okay, I'm a PA right now and also a productivity coach with Market Center 3. So thanks for having me here today. I'm happy to learn from Siewmin and Winnie as well today.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Yeah, we have lots of, I'm glad you came as well, Ray. And glad everyone can be here. Okay, so we're going to be talking about this consumer app. So Siewmin, I want to start with you. I think you're the person who's closest to like the source of all this tech, right? So I figure you will have the most like up-to-date information, hopefully. Don't no pressure, okay? But can you share with us like what exactly is the consumer app? You know, is it the same as the KW command app, the red, and all this? Yeah. And, what is the app and what is its purpose? Why was it created? Maybe you can just give us some background.
Right. Okay. So I think there is like I think one of the things that I hear a lot from our agent, the Keller Williams agent, is that I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so overwhelmed by all the like technologies that I have, that I see. I know they're all valuable, but I don't know which one do I go for, why and what and how, right?
Right.
I think this session is probably for you. So do follow us as we go along, all right? So what happened is that in Keller Williams, we realized that for agents to be able to scale, we needed to leverage, right? Whether you leverage on people by hiring an admin or by working with the other agents, or having a teams, or like by leveraging on the technology. So that was when technology was being created, and that we have like a technology called Command for the agents to use. So Command is like a command center for your business. So it has a CRM as a base, and that from there on, there is a lead gen option. There is different tool for lead gens. There is different tool to nurture your database. So that's Command. And then just bear with me, all right? So there's a command that's for agent, okay? Just remember there's a command for agent.
We got command over here, all right.
Yeah. And then at the same time, what we have is that we realize that, okay, as an agent, consumer is our everything, right? Customer, your leads is your everything. Your leads can be your listing leads, can be your buyer leads, and they are the core of your business. They are the core of your sales, right? Without a leads, you can't get the sales. So that was when we created this thing called the consumer app, right? So we have a consumer app that is for the consumer to use. So as a consumer, as a customer, they can actually just go to the app and just search for listing. As straightforward and simple as that.
Right.
Yeah. And what happened is that additionally, consumer has the option for you to create your own collection. So what happened is that then that allowed the consumer to actually know, say for example, I'm an investor for the KL area. So I would like to know like the properties around that area, whether it's St. Mary, my residence, that area. I can create a collection for KLCC, and that I will be able to keep track of the properties there.
Okay, can I just pause you for a second? So if I can be the consumer and I'm interested to find a property. So this app, this KW consumer app, is something like iProperty. Like I can just go and search for properties on there.
Yes, you can search for property on there. I'm not sure iProperty have the options to create collections.
To create a collection. So a collection means I can save like a search. Is that what
Yeah,
you mean?
yeah, you can save a search, yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Mm.
Got it.
And and while you're at that, as a Keller Williams agent, I will be able to tell that, hey, you're interested in this, and I can give you suggestions.
Oh.
And all these things is done over the app. Like it doesn't have to like, hey, I talk to you and say, hi, I think you are interested in this. But all these things are done over the app. So I can suggest property because I know that you are looking at KLCC. So I can suggest property that I think is relevant, whether it's based on the price point, based on location, for you. So all
Okay.
these are over the app. Yeah.
Quite cool, quite cool.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So yeah, do you have more to, yeah. Do you have something
Yeah.
to
So
share?
I have something to share. So like
Yes.
after I said that, right, I think just to summarize what I have just said is
Mhm.
that this what you're looking at right now is consumer. So we have a kw.com on the left hand side where you can see, like, you can search for your listing here, whether it's for sale or for rent. So
Mhm.
let's say you look for a location, Mont Kiara, and you can just click the search button and that you can search for listings there. In Malaysia, we have about 20,000 listings right now, and growing in this portal. So, and then on the other hand is a consumer app on the right hand side. You can see it's a white color background app,
Right.
and that consumer can just go and search. So when they search, right, the function is the same. It's like you are using a Facebook on computer on the left hand side, and you're using a Facebook app on phone on the right hand side.
Right. It's the same thing. It's just different, like on the phone versus the laptop kind of thing.
Exactly.
Right,
It's the same. It's just on phone and on laptop, right?
Right.
Yeah, as an agent, what I have here is that when anyone search for a listing here, I will be able to tell that, oh, I have this client who is actually interested in this place, for
Oh.
example. Yeah.
So you can see at the back end, like where your clients are looking. Okay,
Yeah.
just now you said something like 29,000 listings. Is that what you said? Around
20,000 listings.
20,000, right? Okay.
Yep.
I just want to clarify, these listings are what? Are these like all the listings in Malaysia? Or what are these listings?
Right. So these are our Keller Williams Malaysia's agents listings.
Okay, so only the listings belonging to KW agents are inside of this website and inside of this app.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
And basically, it's not just Malaysia agents, but agents from the worldwide globally.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So that allow us to have like co-agency or referral with our agents from our KW Global family.
So you're saying I can, as a consumer, I can literally search for property around the whole world.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So actually it's probably more than 29,000 listings.
20,000 in Malaysia.
20,
I think, yeah, another 10,000 from different parts of the world, and like a few hundred thousand from like US and Canada.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's quite exciting, I think, for the consumer.
Yeah. And one thing about this is that for our agents is that if you look at this, right, you can see that like this website is personalized. So every agent have their own website.
Right.
Yeah, like it's not like, oh, this is just an iProperty, but it's actually the agent's branding over here.
Right.
Yeah, so it's as if you have your own website and you can create this website under 5 minutes. It's very quick. Yeah, we'll talk more about that later, but yeah, it's actually pretty simple.
So how is this connected to the KW command? I mean, you mentioned that is it
Yeah, so this is the consumer part, right? For the consumer, we created an app for the consumer, and that this is our app for agent. So on the right hand side, you can see this white color is a consumer app that we have just talked about. On the left hand side is a red color app for our agent.
Okay.
So it's the same thing. Like for agent, we have like the web version, whereby you can log in on your computer and manage your business, your database from there. At the same time, you can also manage your business on the go. So that's when you use your phone, right? Whether you're on holiday, you're at different parts of the world, you can do so. You can just manage your database, update your app, update your business on the go. So
Right.
that's where the app comes in. Yeah.
So you don't want to get your consumer, your potential clients to download the red one. You want to ask them
No.
to download the white one.
Yeah, if you can see, it will say like the red color one has a word command underneath. That's your app. That's for your
Okay.
agent. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, the clients do not need to know this word command. It's actually not
No,
relevant to them.
no. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, that's helpful. Yeah, appreciate that. Okay. All right. Okay, so everyone in the chat, everyone in this call, if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the chat. Let us know what questions you have. We will get to those questions. I'm sure there will be a lot. Okay. Winnie, I want to move to you. I know, yeah, okay. I see a question, Fifi. How do you convince clients to download the apps? We're going to get to this question. This is one of my questions as well. Very good questions. Okay, we'll get there. All right, so Winnie, we keep hearing, there's the app, getting your client to download the app, downloading the app, etc. But we also hear about landing page, agent site. You need to set up your landing page, set up your agent site. Can you tell us what these are about and like do a demo for us? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I'm really looking forward and I'm really excited on creating the landing page and also agent website. And what's the difference between the landing page and agent website?
Yeah.
Actually, landing page is actually it's for more on for our own listings that we have. We can create one landing page with one listing or with multiple listings as well. Landing page is not just listings as well. You can also do an agent profile, or you also can also create like a touch base of a landing page that you wanted to invite them to download the apps. There's a lot of things you can do with landing page. For agent website, it's your branding. It's like your name card. So you brand yourself, you want to send your website and you want them to visit your website, which I'm very glad because I do not need to spend a lot of money to ask someone to create a homepage for me.
Right.
So we have this in KW Command, so where we can create our own personalized agent website, which is I put myself as winniechong.kw.com. It's really exciting, but I'm going to show you how it looks like, and it's going to be very exciting, and a lot of things that we have explored and we have utilize this landing page and also agent website.
Okay, cool. So you can give us a little demo, right? Awesome.
Yep, sure. So if you look at here, this is our KW command, and you can see here we have a lot of functions and features that we have in KW command. So we as during the KW Summit, it's very exciting when they launched the KW Consumer. So I started to really explore more on this consumer features. And if you look at here, there's two different pages, which is one is called agent site pages, and another one is called landing pages. So I'm going to show you how my website looks like. So I'm just clicking here, winniechongproperties.kw.com. This
Nice
is
name.
my this is my website. And you can see here there's your own websites from here. And then I'm going to show you that this is my main page, and I will have feature listings, which is up to 12 listings that we can feature into our website. And just to let you know, we collaborate with EdgeProp very well. So whatever you key in from EdgeProp, if you feature into it sync it into KW command. So you can choose your top 12 hot listings and you feature into your website.
Okay, let
really, really a great tools for us.
Right. So just can I just recap? So you're saying whatever you key into EdgeProp, you said then you can access those when you create your site, you can access those properties that you have put into EdgeProp. Is that what you said?
Yes.
And then you can
whatever
up
you
to
key
12
informations, everything from EdgeProp, it will sync it into command.
Got it.
Yep. And then we will have a lead form where we can generate our leads from here, and if they're interested, they can just fill in as well. And also at the same time, with this website, we also automatically will invite them to download KW app so that they can do a lot of searching on listings that they wanted to look at, not just in Malaysia, but also worldwide as well.
Right.
So, and another thing is also, we do have what you call a sub page. So I can also put about my agent profile. If I click it here, this is about me. It talk about
Oh.
my own, about
Mm.
myself, my experience, and also I can put into my own. I mean, I work with one platform team called Elite Team in Subang Jaya. So then after that, I can also create an Elite Teams page, and we tell them about informations, what are we doing as well. And also the most important part that is a very great tools. The moment when you create a landing page, you also can also launch it, and also can
Add it,
brand
like,
it into agent website.
you
So
can
if I click it
add
here,
it as a page inside the website.
yes, this is
Awesome.
exactly landing page, which you can also launch it into your agent website. And
Right.
and let's say, for example, to those that are doing projects, so they can put a project, they can put a lot of details about not just the location, not just the project, but also they can put in all the layout plans in details, everything into this landing page, and put it into their own website if they work as a teams. And also for subsell, you can adjust based on locations. Like, let's say I have a 8 bungalow in Petaling Jaya. So I can put it into one website, that bungalow for sale in Petaling Jaya, in one subpage. So this is for one of the example Bukit Kassim project. I can put 3 listings, and the client can scroll down, and I also can add in a video as well.
Mhm.
And at the same time, all the details, that whatever that you put it in HPOP, it will sync it over to this page as well. And at the same time, we explore new things. We can put our WhatsApp as well. So this
Ooh.
is one part of the lead gen form that we have our own. Why I'm looking forward for this, because I'm very excited. Because if you think about, let's say we have all of us have our portals like Property Guru, iProperty, so it's quite competitive. So if we have our own landing page, we just send these informations, and there's no competitive, and clients will look more on properties in our own KW apps. So
Right.
so that's the reason why it's very exciting. If we have, the more we have in our listings, that's where we can encourage all our consumer to view our old properties, which we have I think in our export about more than 20,000 listings
Right.
in our KW app as well. Yeah.
Wow.
So this is all about, and even if you link it into Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as well, if you have it and you put it in. So that's where it helps you in branding yourself, and also it helps you in your properties, and to those whoever that is existing agents or a new agents as well.
Right,
Yeah.
right. So this is the agent site, and then you showed how the landing page can also, you can make landing pages separately, but you can also
Yes.
insert them into your page, into your website.
Yes,
Okay, that's
and
very cool.
it's how it looks like. You can create a lot of landing pages. It depends on your creativity. Either you
Okay.
want to put you want to put a project, and you can also rename your URL address instead of having a coding. But you can change your URL name as well. So
Nice.
if let's say if I want to send a link to my clients, I will know that this is Diamond City, this is Bukit Kassim, and this is
Right.
a low-rise condominium.
So you
Because
don't get confused.
yes, so you will keep using your landing page to send to your clients, and this is how it looks like. If I click on the villas for sale, so you can see I put 3 listings. You can put one landing page with 1 listings, and then you put video. Even you can add in KW360 as well. The KW360, whoever they subscribe, you can also add it into your landing page.
Those beautiful KW
And
360 videos, we can put them in here.
yes,
No,
yes.
awesome.
And also like this in landing page, if I click on it, it will go straight to my WhatsApp.
Nice.
So this is one good thing about this landing page, that you can do a lot of things with your own creativity and your personalized landing page as well.
Okay. So you create all these things inside Commands, and it will create the URL for you. Like you make the page, it makes a URL. You take that URL, you send it to your clients, all those people, and then they can have access to
Yes.
it. Nice, nice.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
And with
Uh-huh.
this kind of this kind of widgets, it takes you about 15 minutes to create a landing page.
Wow, so
That
fast.
the moment when you master it, because everything all synchronized, including edge prop. So it's helped you a lot in
Can I
this.
chime in here, Winnie,
Yes.
for a while? Winnie, do you say 15 minutes, like 1-5?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. So every 15 minutes, you can actually create one landing page.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to launch one landing page, with one listings, you can get it done by I can tell that the fastest 10 minutes.
Wow.
10
Do
to
you
15.
do that in a class when you run your training in a class? Do you do a timer and say, hey, let's just do it, and then let's see who is the fastest?
Can do that. You can do that. I actually, during my tech workshop, I give you half an hour, then you create. But some of them they can create within 15 minutes.
Right, right.
Oh, that's cool.
I hope everyone's hearing that. It's quite easy to do. Yeah, quick win. You can just go and do it.
Because the widget is there, the template is there, everything already. So all you
Right.
need just sync it, and then you just whatever that, if you want to add on some information, of course, some additional time lah. But it depends on
Right.
what you want for your landing page.
Uh-huh.
What are you focused on, and what you want to start with this? Yeah.
Cool. So there's a question here that was asked and answered in the chat, but just want to say it out loud. So someone asked about whether you can make website for industrial and commercial, and Siewmin, you
Yes,
answered.
as long as
Oh yeah.
yes, any listings, as long as you upload into edge prop. No, even though project, but I understand project, you cannot, because there's a restrictions on the name, but you can do some creative ways on how you upload into edge prop, where you're focusing on the locations for this
Oh.
project. You can put it into edge prop and sync it over. Then you can add on information that you wanted to in your landing page. After, if you sync with edge prop, even you don't use edge prop, you can create your own landing page as well. You don't even use edge prop, you can create your own landing page.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, Siewmin, did you have anything to add to that?
Yeah, I want to say that like it's built for residential, meaning to say that like it's like when you look at the website, you have all the residential listing and some of the listing that's from Edge Prop. And I think what Winnie was saying is like a workaround kind of thing, whereby you can show like different tabs, and then you can show your commercial experience. You can show like you can actually add like a commercial listing and then make it one of the tabs. So that way it looks like a commercial. Why I say it's a workaround is because the experience wasn't designed for that commercial experience. So you might not feel like it's the best experience for a consumer, but it can be done, right? So it's not the best experience because it's designed for like, residential, but it can be done. Yeah. So it's flexible enough for customization like that. Yeah.
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 On this
even landed properties also, you can do so as well. Any things is based on what you are focusing at, and if you really wanted to know and explore more, then come to the tech workshop. I can guide you through also.
Right. Okay, I want to just, like, as we've mentioned all these three things, to put it together. So we have this agent site, right? So there's the website version, then there's the phone version, right? The app. Okay, so then there's the landing page, and then there's the agent, sorry, and so there's the consumer app, the agent site, which is the app on the phone, the agent site on the laptop, and then there's a landing page, right? So how are these all like connected? What's the relationship between them? Like, can we use, if we never set up our, can we use the app even though we never set up our agent site, even though we never make a landing page? You know what I mean? But maybe Siewmin can share about that.
Even what's the relationship between a consumer and a command app? Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah. No. Sorry. No, what's the relationship between the three, the consumer app, the agent site, and the landing page? Like, even because we just mentioned about setting up the personal agent site, right? A personal agent site, and then getting our people to download the app, right? So if we never set up our personal agent site and we just send the app out, right? Or send out landing pages out, does that work? Can we still do that?
Yes. So landing page is a standalone URL, meaning to say that it will still work because the main purpose for landing page is that it captures leads. Or if you want, it can showcase a certain kind of information. But really the main purpose is for you to capture leads. So now you have one more avenue to capture leads as opposed to just advertise on Facebook or iProp or the other portals. Yeah.
Right.
So that's landing page. Yes, it can work standalone without the site.
Right. So then how about the consumer app and the agent site? Like, are they also, because they're very connected. You said this is like Facebook on the computer versus Facebook on the phone, right?
Yeah.
But then we never set up our personal agent site. How is the app affected? Like if we just send the app to our
Right. So
consumer-
if you don't set it up, it will just be kw.com, whereby the consumer or your client can go there to search for listings. It will
Right.
still be functionable just without your branding, without the agent's branding, without then when the agent or when the customer looks for a certain listing, they will see the listing agent. And they can contact the listing the agent directly. So that way they are not contacting you, even though they are your leads or maybe your database or your SOI. Yeah.
Right. It would become like a general place where they can search for property and they can contact whatever agent.
Yes.
So it's in your benefit to set up your personal site first. So that way they'll contact you and you
exactly 100%.
Okay, very cool, very cool. Okay, thank you.
Can I add on?
Yeah,
it's actually you know, we as an agents we also encourage all the consumer to really download the KW app. This is part of our you know, our responsibility that we will encourage them, because the more you invite them to sign in, the more that data that you can generate from that, and you can it helps you to generate new leads and without causing you a lot of cost in that as well. So this is one part of landing page that you can invite them. I can share one testimony, like one agent, they just started create the KW app and just a simple app, and then say, hey, just ask the friend to just send it over, and then ask the friend, hey, you sign up first, I want to see how it works. So then the friend signing up, and then the friends showing to her and signing up already. Then after that later part, her friends go and send to another friends, and the friends then go and sign up and then look at it. Then after that, these friends of her interested in one of the property and contacted her, and that's where they make an appointment and to go for a viewing and leverage with other agents who has this property as well.
Awesome. That's a great story. That's really inspiring. Thank you. Okay, awesome. I want to move now to Ray. You've been so patiently waiting. Sorry. Thank you for coming. Okay, Ray, I know you're a productivity coach. You're working with a lot of agents, and I wanted to ask you specifically, you know, so we're hearing about the consumer app, agent site, all this. How do you actually use it, you know, as an agent? How do you use it to increase the business and the production and everything? So I'd love to hear your perspective on how that works.
All right, okay. So before I start, right, please tell me, how many of you actually have your own personal website? If you have it, just type yes. All right, just want to know only. Okay. So regarding this function of these three things, right? Okay, I actually did a lot of testing. I even start to use the landing page end of last year. When I go inside this command apps, I see what is this consumer, then I go and start and test, and actually start using landing page last year, end of last year. Okay, so the purpose of using landing page for my business is because I found that if I share my property portal link to my client, right, they actually will get a chance to access to other agent listing. Because those property portal, they will start to propose to them like other similar listing.
Yeah.
Especially those listing mostly are cheaper than my listing most of the time. Because this is the reason I venture into this landing page. I create my own landing page and then I start to use it. Okay, how I use it? Okay, normally I will use it. Of course, I'm not sending those to those property portal inquiries. I will send those links to those buyer. They actually inquired through banner. Okay, so I just send a link to them, let them read through the details. Then I will follow up with them later. Or when I run the campaign, Facebook campaign, when new inquiry coming in, I will just share this link to them. Yeah, the landing
Okay.
page. Yeah, because they can't access to other agent listing information. They only can see my page, my info of this property and so on.
So you send them your agent site, like the
No, the landing page for
landing
a
page.
particular
Okay.
listing. Yeah, when I run campaign or I know actually they inquiry from the banner from the particular house.
Right. Makes sense.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I don't want to like waste my time to share the photo and information to them. By using landing page, I save a lot of time.
Right. Then they can just click and take a look at everything
Yes.
and then
Yeah.
follow. Okay.
And they only can see my contact number there.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Right.
So, yeah. So this is for about landing page. So
Nice.
okay, for KW consumer apps and also this agent site, right? I think now is a good time for us to take this as a touch point to send to our client.
Okay.
Yeah. I think for apps,
So
it's
how do
very
you-
straightforward.
Yeah. How do you do that? People want to know, like, how do you use a touch point? How do you get them to download the app and all this?
Okay, I'm still not really aggressively share these apps, but I just found there's a function in our Keller Williams command apps that maybe I can try to share my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay, only host can share screen. Is it? Let me see.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Sorry.
I can share.
Okay.
You all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, this is my MacPad screen. Okay, maybe I just launch this KW command apps. So when you all log into this app, right, you look for this bottom right corner. Okay, the three line there. Then you can see there's one share my KW apps link.
Oh.
Yeah, when you click on this, yeah, actually you can share this via your WhatsApp, Telegram, email, and so on. Okay, because I'm using MacPad, so I'm not install any WhatsApp here.
Sorry,
Yeah, so
this can be done from the red KW command app. And
yep, correct.
Can it also be done on the website, the KW command website version? Or not? Not
That
the
one
same.
you can just only share the link.
Okay, got it.
But here actually we have a preset of a write up for you. You can just share with your client.
Got it.
Yeah. So this is the insight that I try it lah. Okay. But the best one is still like maybe after viewing, if this property is not suitable, normally I would just ask my client to on the spot, ask them to download. I send a link to them, ask them to download. Maybe I try to guide them how they can use it.
So at a viewing, you will get them to download this app. Okay.
Yeah, after viewing, because normally the listing that we show them may not be suitable for them.
Right.
Yeah, and I found that this buyer is still new in the market, so maybe I will just share this app with them so that they can look through my colleague or our colleague listing in there. Then okay, actually we can keep track of the activities, and maybe we can do a demo later.
Oh, yeah. You want to show us how you Siewmin?
But I was just thinking that actually there's a very smart move, like you're physically with your client after the viewing, and you just tell them, hey, why don't we just download the app and then you can search for listing easier, and I can keep in touch with you. If there's any available listing, I can just send you a notification about it, right?
Yeah.
I think that's a very smart move, and that way you don't have to worry that the consumer don't have to worry that this is a scam, this is a not good app or anything, because I'm with you physically, right? And then we are downloading together. Let me guide you to create a profile, which is very simple. Just enter your phone, enter your email address and your name, and that's it.
Right.
I think that's a very good one.
And then you could probably show them like that you have the app on your phone, like it's not gonna scam you, right?
Yeah, I think that's a very good one.
So that's a really good one, to do it physically with someone at a viewing. That's a great idea.
Yeah.
So I think the agent site is similar with the KW consumer apps. Just that one is for those who are actually prefer to browse through property using the web page.
Right.
Yeah, then you can recommend to use this our agent site. But I think there are some few settings you need to really do it before you actually start to share this link to your client.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe I'm not sure Siewmin or Winnie will touch on that.
I think we will touch on this like in the training when you go for the
Okay.
training with Winnie.
Ah.
That happens every week, right? Yeah.
Trainings every week. Okay. Yeah. Then you can get all the details on how to customize the site properly. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I
Yeah.
think that's all. Yeah, this is for my own experience. I'm using all these tools.
Right. Ray,
Yeah.
you just now you mentioned about how you can see what the client or the consumer is searching. Did you want to
Yes.
mention you could show a demo about this? Did you guys want to show us a demo on this? How you do that?
Okay, for this I need Siewmin help because I think Siewmin is already
Yeah.
add me as exclusive agent. So whatever activities she start like looking for houses in this Keller Williams consumer apps, I will get notified in my Keller Williams command apps here.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do that. Let's do a role play.
Yeah, let's do a
Yeah.
role play. So I will share screen and think of me as I'm now Ray's client. I'm at Ray's website. So
Okay,
you can
Siewmin, sorry, can you log out and sign in again, or is it
yes,
log out already?
it's
Oh,
log
okay,
out.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see
okay,
like
before
I'm
we start,
on
right, I
Hmm?
want to share one thing because I reset the special setting in my this agent
Oh.
site. You can't start to search property unless you have to log in or
our
sign up.
demo that.
Yeah, you
Okay.
demo it later.
So I'm at Ray's site. You can see that this is Ray's site. And I can see his branding here. You can see his face, his number, and all that. And if I click on this, I'll be able to email him directly, for example.
Okay.
But let's not go there. What happened is that Ray has so there's a lead form as well over here, lead gen form. So what happened is that, let's say he has set a setting whereby I wouldn't be able to explore the site unless I sign up a profile for him to be like the exclusive agent
Okay.
for me.
Why?
So let's say if I click on the listing,
Ah,
I will see this that prompt me to sign up for a profile or to sign in.
okay, okay.
Yeah. So I would have to sign in to view this listing. There you
All
go.
right. Now you're signed.
So yeah, now I'm signed in. So I can see like, you know, what's this listings about, and I can see like related listings.
Mhm.
I can talk to Ray. I want to ask Ray about something.
Right.
For example.
All right.
Nice. Nice. What happens if you click another property?
Yeah, so
The other ones.
this one. Ray, is this your listing?
This one is not my listing, but
This is
you
not
can
your
see my
listing,
name.
right? But I
Yeah.
will see your name here.
Right. So you
I will
will still
only
tell
see
you-
your, yeah.
right.
I will
it-
only see Ray throughout.
Right. So if you the only person you are told to contact is Ray, no matter what listing
Exactly.
you see. It's just contact
Yes.
this person for more information.
Yeah.
Cool.
This one
cool.
looks good.
So the step one is very important. Our client need to sign up or log in first before start the searching.
Oh, your
Yeah,
collection.
so that this trick will work. All the listing in Malaysia and also worldwide will belong to me right now.
Yeah. It will look like that. It will look as if it's that. Yeah. But at the back end, Ray would then have to do like a co-agency with the actual listing agent, right?
Yeah.
Right, right.
So
Nice.
Siewmin is already show the demo from client side. So later I will show the demo from agent. What's the
Yep.
back end? We can see what are the activities from our client, so that we have gathered all these valuable insights.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
based on
Before I
our
pass the
clients.
time to Ray, I just wanted to show you the feed here. So
Yeah.
like you can see that I have saved some searches. I have
Mm.
created my collection, and I can actually take a look at this. I have I have all of this. So I can see like this is what Ray would suggest as an agent. You can see like these are agents pick. And I can look
Oh,
at this.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Agent picks is those listing that have features
Mm,
in my agent website.
so
yeah.
it's the ones that you it's actually your
You are
your-
suggesting. Mm,
Like just now, Winnie share about the features listing. Yeah, those are the listing that we features in our
Right.
own website.
the feature
Yeah.
list can become the agent's pick.
Yeah, so I can see like these are the collection that I have created as well. So these are some of the things that I've already like saved.
Right.
So yeah, so I think this is something like an additional value for the client themselves that I get by downloading the app.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll stop sharing and pass the time to Ray.
Okay, so now my turn. I want to show you like what a KW agent make use of the KW app, command apps, and also consumer apps to provide the best value to our client. Right. Let me share my map pad again. Can you all see my screen right now?
Yes.
Actually, it's the same with Puna. I'm using MapPage because the screen is bigger, so you all can see it more clearer. So I launched my KW command apps again. So what Siewmin is doing just now, right? I actually get notified. Can you see the bottom line? There's one bell.
Yeah.
Okay, so I click on this notification. So yeah, I using my own account to test. So after that, you can see Siewmin Chong has logged in to this inside.
Can you show us with your mouse? Can you put the mouse over it? Yeah.
Here.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Got it.
And just now, Siewmin also did send an inquiry to me, the message here. Can you see the first one?
Yeah,
Okay, so
I see that.
yeah. But of course, all the activities that Siewmin did on the website just now, it won't show it because here is purposely for us to gather leads, whatever leads or inquiries. So for me to see what are the activities Siewmin did on the website, I have to view contact. Can you see here? Contact here. Okay, I view contact. Okay, once I click view contact, it will lead me to Siewmin contact details. So of course here will be the Siewmin email address and so on. Okay, she haven't keyed her handphone yet, so I haven't captured her handphone. So I just move to timeline. Can you see the top part there? There's details, timeline, opportunities. So I go to this timeline. Okay, here is a valuable insight that I know everything about Siewmin. Okay,
Wow.
so let me start from today's dates.
Wow, she just viewed so many properties and
Oh yeah, I scroll up to, wow, okay.
it's all today. I think it's the other way. The top is the most recent.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, just to show you all like just now what Siewmin do, right?
Right.
She click on these three properties, right? Below market value, rare duplex, largest layout corner unit with PLCC view, and also Sunny. So when I click this one, right? Oh, sorry, actually she put in the collection. Okay, she
Right.
put in the collection. So when I click on this, it will automatically link to my consumer apps, and I will see, okay, the listing is belong to Carmen.
Carmen
Can
did
you see
get a deal today.
Yeah, correct. So I will start to like connect with Carmen to ask more about these properties. Then I can go back to my client.
Right, right,
Yeah, so I go back to this.
right. So it must be nice that all these, I mean, it's all KW agents, so it's going to be maybe a little bit easier to work with them than just some like random agent from outside. If
Yeah,
you're
so this is actually much more different from those inquiry that we get from property portal. Normally client, they will go there and search themselves, then it either depends on them whether they want to inform us their interest in those areas or not.
So good.
Yeah, so by using our KW consumer apps, we can actually track everything. We can actually build a lasting relationship with our clients.
So how will you, so once you look at all this, what will you do with that information? Like, what will you message to Siewmin? Or
Okay,
what will you do with this?
I can either give a call to ask more clarification question, or like Siewmin say, I actually can go to our Keller Williams consumer apps to actually propose her few listing that I think is for her and send her in a collection. Yeah, in the collection.
So
yeah,
based on what you see she's interested in, you can go and find more properties and be like, hey, how about this?
correct.
Are you interested?
Correct. But most of the time I will give a call to them first.
Okay.
Yeah, because we will get more clarification and insight from our client.
But what will you say? Would you say like, oh, I saw you searching this site, this property? Will you
No, I won't say that. I just go up like, hey, how is your property searching recently and so on.
Right.
Because we don't want our client to know that we actually know all this back
Yeah.
end.
Nice.
I think it's like really for us to partner with our client to know this, but let's also not look so creepy, like as if we are, yeah. The
How
idea
do-
is really to partner with them and to get them to their property like at the fastest time with the best experience possible. Yeah, that is the whole main point. That's the idea. Yeah.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
the purpose is to know about their preference and needs, and also allow us to carry on this instant follow-up with them
Right, right,
while the iron's still hot.
right. That's really cool. Okay, just now I heard that awesome story, Winnie, that you shared, right? That you said someone shared the app and then they shared it with a friend and then they actually got an like a appointment for viewing or whatever. That's so cool. Is there any other stories you guys have about like some success stories with using this app yet?
Maybe I share from my landing page. So after I using
Yeah.
landing page to share with those inquiries, I feel that I take more on control. I
Oh,
take more
okay.
control on my list, and I take more control on the listing as well.
What do you mean
Yeah.
by that? You take more control.
Means that they will definitely either they'll come back to me whether they say they are suitable or not for this listing. Instead of last time I share my property portal link to them, then they will like take few days, or maybe I need to call them, they remember me back because they start to click on other agent
Oh,
listing from there.
right. They're gonna click
Yeah.
everywhere and see a lot of different names. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, very good. That's a good one. Right. So then you can keep them more to yourself, the buyer. Okay, very cool. Okay. So now do you have like just now you mentioned one suggestion is you can ask during a viewing, you can ask them to download the app. Is there any other suggestions on tips on how to intro clients to the app or potential clients? Maybe Winnie or Siewmin or whoever, or Ray, you have any ideas?
I think Winnie have just shown us just now like how she has got like quite a number of her SOI to sign up to her agent site, right? Maybe
Mhm.
Winnie can tell us like how did you do that? Because I saw a lot. There was a lot of people and they actually view and like actually like and save some collections. So maybe you can share with us.
Yeah, actually, because this is new to us for this website, and also we have this awesome KW app where we can send to our clients, and we will know the activities and updates, and to understand them better on what they are looking at in the properties. Because of course, clients, they are interested in properties, they want to look through and wanted to get to know more about all the properties. So I think a good start for those that have started using KW app and also agent website and landing page. The first thing first, of course, you need to fix your marketing profile first. You don't fix your marketing profile and it doesn't show that you are active.
Right.
Okay, so the first thing first that need to do is your marketing profile is everything all updated. Then
Right.
after that, you have to fix all your landing page and your KW, I mean your own agent website. So
Mhm.
once you have done everything, I started off with my SOI. So I just sent to them, hey, can you download? And I went to testing and then to see how it goes. Because you will never know, they will send to their other friends also as well. But
Okay,
it's
wait,
actually part
pause.
of your starting business.
Yeah, I love
So
that. I love that. The idea,
I can show to you.
yeah, but
I
you
can
said
show you. Last night I tried out about maybe 5 to 10 of them. I say, hey, can you just explore more on the search property? This is my new app that I'm using, and I created my new website. So I just send it over to them, and they reply and they sign up everything all, and they check it
wow.
out, and then they view. I can share it to you and show it to you how it responded.
Yes, please show it to us. John did ask like how many is a lot. Did you like send to 10 and 10 of them
So
sign up?
yeah, I just click here. This is all the new leads 3 hours ago. So a lot of them, you can see all the names that I sent. I sent to all of them, and I wanted to invite them as my friends and as my SOI. So if I want to check out how many of them are signing up, so I just go to the contact, and then I just look through the recent active. So
Oh,
Lisa, I think this is all the leads that actually all my SOI that I sent. Actually, I sent about 10. So far, about 4 of them is responded.
okay.
So if I just go and click on it, and then I can see their activities. If you look at here, scroll down. So he replied to me. He said he's actually looking for buy and for investment. Then after that, he signed up my KW app. So actually, for your information, the moment when they sign in KW app, in the long term, when they open the apps, it will show you are the agent for them. That's where branding, how it looks like. And there's one time one agent was I think when I tell this story, I know who is she lah. This agents, they say, hey, I sign up the KW consumer, but why I keep seeing the same agent's name in my apps? An agent talk to me, an agent in my app. So I said, hey, you are signing up a consumer. So whoever that you click on agent's website, it will still appear that agent's name. So meaning to say, we are their exclusive agents. In a way, I can say it's exclusive because they sign up through our apps, because you use your agent website to send to them and ask them to download the KW app, and you capture it. But one thing that I just explore, if let's say we send to the same, because I got agent ask this question. If let's say you send this contact, and it so happen 2 agents is sending to this client to download the app. So actually it will appear 2 agents send, but at the end of the day, it depends on client which agent they want to choose.
Right, which one they sign up on.
Yeah, but it will happen, but it's not all the times. It will happen. So, but at the end of days, it depends on the clients who to choose the agents to serve with. Because sometimes we do have agents that have the same client as well. So this is the part that you can see all the activities, and also the agent side, they log in and you can see what this client have viewed, and every day you can also just randomly pick one of the agents, you can see their activities. So that's why it's very important, we have to get started and promote our KW app and send to your SOI first before you really go and invite the rest of the, either the cold or warm contacts. So this is a good start for us to have this landing page and also the agent website.
So cool.
Yep.
I heard like 2 ahas. Just one is, if you send to your sphere of influence, you just ask them to test it out. You say, hey, like, can you help me test this out? Can you give it a try? Then they will feel very eager to just sign up for you, like, just to do you a favor. And then they might be like impressed and be like, wow, a lot of properties here.
They will refer to you to other friends as well.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Because I have a properties for their friends like that. I'm looking for property. Oh, I send you this app, you can sign up and then you look for this agent. You can do that. Anything can happen as long as the most important marketing profile. Then after that, touch up your agent website and do as much as you can for landing page that you wanted to really send in and tell them, hey, I have these properties, to sell. Even there are agents, they putting one condominium with multiple rental, so they can just one shot send it over, not just for sale, but rental as well. Send it over, and then they can choose whichever rental they wanted.
Right. Yeah.
Yep. I have one aha as well. Like I think Winnie have made it so casual. Like sometimes when we say, oh, we want to ask the client to download it, we feel like, oh, we have to make it like a script, like very proper, sign off with our name and all that. But Winnie made it so casual because these are people who is in the sphere of influence, the closer people who actually knows her and trusted her, probably like ex-clients who have actually signed a deal and all that, right? So she can be casual about it because there is a relationship like there. And so it's really casual that, oh, she just, oh, can you just help me take a look, see what is it like it's very, very casual. It's very relational. And if you think about it, right, if I'm the client, I would probably respond better to this kind of message than a very formal message, right?
Yeah, true.
So that's my aha.
Nice one. I like that. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to add on one thing also. Actually, the landing page also, we can create this testimonial page. This is
Oh,
what I want to do long time ago. So I just found this function. So yeah, I think my next action I will venture go into this part lah.
that's so good. Yes,
So that
testimonials.
we can really publish the customer testimonial in the website that everyone can see, rather
Yeah.
than just in our own WhatsApp message only.
Yeah, actually,
Well,
as a
thanks for-
consumer,
Yeah, thanks for highlighting. I'm going
Yeah.
to send to all my clients that I close deal with. I ask them to write
Yeah.
a testimonial already.
yeah.
Do my SOI first.
Yeah,
That
correct.
increases the trust, right? As a consumer, you will trust it more when you see those testimonials. You'll be like, oh, okay, this is legit. Yeah. Yeah. I'm also hearing though that you're saying like if the client received from multiple people, right, then probably we want to be the first one to send. So probably we want to do it faster. If we can send faster and get all those clients of ours connected to ours, to our own site, then they will be kind of like exclusively forever with us a bit, at least they'll remember us whenever they click on there and see the property. They'll see our name and our phone number. It's great. Very cool. Okay, is there any other questions in the chat? I know I saw earlier, I think someone was trying to ask if those the properties that are shown on the website, if it's an expired property, like if it's expired, like does the site already take expired properties off, or how does that work for KW site, agent site? Who's gonna answer this? Yeah, I mean, my understanding is it's only
Actually, even expired, some of the agents just leave it because they will have other properties to propose in the same area. The
okay.
second thing is also they can remove it from Edgepop. It will also sync it and it will also be removed. It will also be updated as well. So there's no issue with expiry.
So actually, it's just whatever's on EdgeProp will be on this site. It's just, that's all it is. So if it's been removed from EdgeProp, it'll be removed from the site. When it's added to EdgeProp, it's added to the site. So very simple. Okay, cool.
At the moment, it's like that. At the moment, it's on HProp. But eventually, there will be like more function that will allow you to actually have listings on command and agent side. So stay tuned. The technology is ever evolving. Yeah, it's not a dead technology.
Okay, next year we'll have more and more hearing more from Siewmin. Okay, very cool. Okay, I think we're coming close to the end of our time. Okay, if you have any other questions, guys, we better put it in the chat here. Someone says, okay, Sharmila saying archiving a property for a landing page. Do you understand this question? If you archive a property,
Which mean is Edgeprop that they put it into archive, but it's still reflected into command lah. What she meant.
Oh, is that correct? So even if you archive a property in EdgeProp?
Yeah, that's what Sharmila is saying. Yes.
Oh, okay, all right. All right, make sure we get this out. So if people want some training on how to use the app, like how does this training work and setting up their landing page? Winnie, do you want to share about the training? Or
the link will be out in this week, and we will have every Tech Thursday in MC2 for tech workshop. If there is needed much additional, then we will work it out and for other market center. So we will update you all guys in December of all these tech workshop for landing page and agent website.
Right, very cool. Okay, I want to ask everyone in the chat, if you learned something, if you're getting excited about the app or you got an idea, can you just type a 1 in the chat just to show that you're learning something, you found this to be valuable, this conversation and hearing from Ray. Yeah, just type a 1 in the chat if you learned something today. Yay! Someone typing a lot of 1s. Very cool. Awesome. For those agents that maybe they feel like, I don't want to take time to set up this agent site and download the app, what would you say to them if they feel like it's too much time, too much effort? Ray, what would you say if your agents say your Ren are saying this to you?
Just brought back the question I asked earlier, like who has a website, right? So I only see 2 years. Okay. So,
Only 2 yeses. Oh,
yeah,
who has
yeah.
the
So,
site?
so actually same as me lah. I also don't have my personal website. Of course, last time those property portal they provided, but those eventually we can't really engage with our client. Okay.
Mm.
But for this Keller William agent site is actually different. We can actually engage with our client. We can see what are the activities they do, and then also what are the collection they save, and actually we can propose listing to them. Yeah, so it's like a interaction between me and my client. Yeah, and this can be set up actually like Winnie say lah, within 10 to 15 minutes, you actually can get the agent site up, and also
Right.
yeah, each landing page. At the fastest I try is 5 minutes. Okay, on landing pages.
I think we should have like an event with like a race to see how fast people can sign
That one just a simple one. Just drag and drop. Yeah, and then I just try that I did it within 5 minutes.
Anyway, you're making it sound like it's quite easy, right? It's actually
Yeah,
not
yeah,
that difficult to do this.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a web page designer. I also didn't have my own website before, so I found this is actually included in our Keller Williams technology package. I still don't understand why agent they don't use it. Yeah.
Okay, so come on, guys. This is an easy one. You got to go for it. Okay, I'm gonna break to go to the announcements now. So maybe you guys can just think of any last words of encouragement, or you want to share with the people on the call, while I just go for announcements. Okay, everyone, we have our amazing KW 360 Plus. Just want to like really encourage you guys really to go and buy this. This is a great Christmas gift. You can give to all your family members. No, but seriously, honestly, it's only 110 ringgit, right? I think it's the coolest thing. You can literally even get it for your own house or your own, like for your parents. Like it's like especially if you know someone that's moving away, you can literally get this for them, and then it's like a memento of their house, right? I know this is totally coming from me. Okay, this is my own idea. This is not but I actually think this is the coolest thing. But just realize like it's such a good deal. It's only 110 ringgit for one property. I really think every single listing should really have this KW 360 Plus video available. Like it's really the way to go. And it saves so much of your time. It's even cheaper, like, and easier. You don't even have to go there to do the filming yourself, right? To do the photography. They will do it for you, the whole thing. They will set up the site for you. They will even edit it for you. Everything is done for you. So I hope everyone, if you have not done it yet, you will go and start booking your 360 Plus for all of your listings. Yeah, and for your friends and family too. Okay, the client touch point, as usual, we have these. So you can go and download and add your cute pictures and whatever and your information, and you can send it to all your clients. That would be great. And then we have, of course, our KW value stories you can share on Facebook, and just to let the world know, that we exist, and let other agents know all the value we have available to them. Okay, thanks, guys. All right, so let's come back to our guests. Any last words you have for our people today of encouragement? Who wants to go first? Ray, are you ready?
Oh, okay. So actually I learned a lot from Siewmin and Winnie today.
Oh,
I
cool.
already get to test this thing, but I think there's still a lot of things to learn. My advice to everyone, just try it and reach out for help through the market center support, or maybe trainers, or maybe your productivity coach. Yeah, just reach out for help.
Reach out for help and try it. Nice.
Yeah, and try it.
Awesome. Okay, Siewmin, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, I think like the journey in this, like in embracing the value that Keller Williams have, can sometimes feel a little bit lonely, especially we just came out from lockdown and then we are in an endemic now. But know that you're actually not doing this alone. You have support, like there's trainings. For market center, you have like your MCTTs, you have DOS, you have people to actually help journey this with you. So like don't try to do it alone. Like just don't. It's okay. Like don't do it alone. Don't think that you are the only one who doesn't know how to press the button. A lot of us are like that. When I talk to the worldwide people from like across the world, from the other country, from the US, it's the same thing. Let me assure you that it is the same thing. You are not the only one who think that I don't know which button to press. I'm scared. Like you are not the only one. And that's the reason why we have a community like this. That's the reason why we are doing this, to let you know that this is it, right? And then you have the agents who are using the website. They didn't start from here. They are not like this from day one. They've been through the journey as well, and somebody has been journeying with them. So don't worry if you think that, well, I cannot do this, even though you say it's 5 minutes, I won't be able to do it in 5 minutes. I'll take 1 hour. That's fine, right? But let's do it together. Let's do it together. You can come for the training, and the support is here. Like, it's here. Just reach out and just come for it. It's okay. I assure you that it's really not as scary as it feels. It will feel very scary. It's not. You can just come and then just experience it for one time and see whether it is as scary as it is. Yeah.
Wow, I love it. Thank you. That's so good, Siewmin. I can feel the support. Awesome. Okay, Winnie, any last words?
Yeah. Actually, I agree with Siewmin. Sharing is caring. You know what I mean? Sharing is caring. Honestly, I can tell you. Even though I conducted all the tech workshop, but it's actually I'm not teaching. I'm learning from agents as well. So whatever that I share to all these things is not coming from me. It's coming from the agents. And they all explore, and then they were frustrated, and then they come back, and then we work together. So I meet up like Ray. I also learn from Ray. I also let me learn from each other. So that's why sharing is caring is very important. And I enjoy learning as well. So I really thank for all the other agents also that also willing to share. And that's how we explore more, like additional WhatsApp WhatsApp buttons, and also, for example, like we're able to do a landing page that posts it in the agent website, and then yeah, the most important part, just do it. Anything can happen.
Love it.
Just do it. Yeah.
Oh, I love our community. Everyone is like, you're all like wanting to learn. Even the trainers also want to learn. And there's like no sense of, no one's going to be scolded. There's no sense of like, there's a lot of humility and all that. I love it. So it's a safe place. You guys, anyone you want to come, this is a safe place to come and learn and to experiment and try. So thank you so much, Siewmin, Ray, Winnie. Thank you all so much for coming and sharing all your wisdom and experience. We appreciate you. Thank you to everyone on the call who came today. Thank you to those on Facebook who are tuning in, and we will see you next week. So goodbye and have a great week. Okay. Oh, where's our music?
Everywhere.